Hey guys, welcome to our channel CJ Dropshipping. My name is Zoe. Has a situation happened to you? You made your dropshipping store, did your marketing, even target the right audience, however, still not getting the sale you had imagined? Don't worry, it's common to have fewer sales than traffic. Many dropshippers also went through this stage. In this video, I will show you guys what's more you should work on and some point you might ignore about. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe to our channel to show your support and ring the bell for further notification. Let's jump into the point. First, analyze user data. Before starting to optimize your store, we should diagnose it first. We commonly use Google Analytics to analyze consumer behavior. It allows you to see how many people left your site while on product page and how many abandoned a cart. You can also see how many people processed to checkout and left from there. This data can be used to improve the website experience. If someone left your site on the product page, maybe it was because it couldn't find an Add to Cart button. You could fix this issue by putting a much larger, appealing Add to Cart button. As for abandoned cart, you can set up automatic mail for those customers. The email should convince them by checkout by offering discounts. Check our previous video here for how to reduce cart abandonment rate. Once we have diagnosed where went wrong, we can start to work on it. Improvements on your website. First, mobile site. The mobile experience can vary vastly from a computer to a mobile device. As a mobile device provides the most traffic, make sure your mobile site is easy to navigate and appealing. Use the Inspect Website view to see how your site will look on a smartphone. Alternatively, open up your site on different models of tablet and smartphone to see if your website is working correctly, especially for image size and the website layout. Second, homepage. The homepage is the first page of a visitor will see. It should be pleasing yet straightforward. A professional-looking brand logo and a top-quality banner image should cover most of the page. Make sure to use colors that go along with each other for better visibility. A good homepage has a minimal yet meaningful text. Add a call to action to your homepage among a short description of your newest product or service. You can add promotional tags on the sidebar of your page and may contain discount information or other important notices. Ensure that this does not take away attention from the main page. 3. Product page. Your product picture should be the main character of the product page. Have at least 4 images displaying your products from different angles. These pictures should be high resolution and not blurry. Customers should be able to zoom in and have a detailed view. To get quality pictures, you can hire an expert photographer or maybe request a photograph service at CJ. Check the link in the description below. The second thing, your product page should be focused on a good title. Your product's image should be under a heading in a large, bold font. Heading should be easy to read and contain only the product name. To convince your customers to buy the products, you need to have a punchy product description. The long speech will only tire your customer. Try to add pictures or GIFs among the text. Description should express the customers what value your product provides and what pinpoint they could avoid. Adding customer reviews is very important. Sharing experience of current buyer will give the current audience courage and confidence to purchase your product. Tell customers how much of the product is in stock. Show them which sites are available. It will focus on them to take actions as they will see their favorite product selling out. Although a product page contains important information, make sure express in short phrase and one-line sentence. 4. Easy checkout. After a home page and the product page, the next important page is the checkout page. The checkout page should never force customers to sign up. It should require a little information as possible. Customers can easily reach the checkout page anywhere and anytime. What's more, the checkout page should seem professional and have a similar design to the rest of your site. Besides offering variants of payment methods like Google Pay, And embedding chat badges on your site will also help. We have talked about that so many times, that's another must. 5. Easy to navigate website. Your online store is like a physical store. Once your audience lands on your site, you need to ensure them they can find what they are looking for. The header and the footer of your site accommodate the navigation. Try to make the header as simple as possible. Have short menu in the header section. They could explain to a range of categories or subcategories. It will allow users to find the products with ease. Once the navigation is easy, users will stay longer when browsing your store. The footer of a website is also as important as the header. It's the place we usually put for policies, like return and refund policy, terms and conditions, etc. Your privacy and refund policies should be stated plainly and directly. This will save the customer from confusion and reduce the load work of customer service. Ensure your navigation buttons are working and able to direct users to a correct page. Ask other people like friends or co-workers to browse your site to check if they can easily navigate to your site. 6. Live chat. Having a live chat service on your website is another way to communicate with the masses. You can set up this chat section with apps like Facebook Messenger. Consumers were able to connect with one site. It will allow you to connect personally with everyone and answer their questions. Furthermore, you can also automate chatbots and automatically reply any DM. This can be useful when customers leave their carts. Your automate chatbot will message the customer and convince him or her to return to the shopping cart. In addition to the shopping experience, what else can you improve? First, share your story. Use About Us page to fill in your advantage. Share with your brand's ideology and narrate a short, engaging story of what got your start. State what you stand for, explain your story in a way that audience connect with you. By the end of the About Us page, your customers should be certain that you are the right people to buy from. Second, use social media. Stay active on social platforms that your audience uses. Your audience will likely go through your social media and decide whether to buy from you or not. Have appealing images or Instagram profiles and link these profiles to your website. Also, active engage with customers on Instagram DMs. It will make strong bond between the customer and the support teams. As customer issues are solved, they will be more likely to buy your products. 3. Land on relevant pages. Advertising service on platforms like Facebook and Instagram does not mean the job is done. You need to transfer the traffic into the site. To do so, you need to be sure that the audience reach what they click. For example, if you post about your sneaker collection on the Facebook, the link present should take the clicker to your website's sneaker collection page. It should not lead to the home page or any other page, as that would be irrelevant. Traffic will not convert to sales. Instead, the user experience will be compromised. 4. Retarget previous customers. Getting new customers can be difficult when targeting previous one is easy. You can do so by messaging them according to their previous browsing session on your site. This can prove effective as messengers have 98% of opening rate. You can also target this audience with advertisement. Retargeting old visitors will keep you in their mind. They're likely to return. Although it can be difficult to convert traffic into sales, work on common problems mentioned above to improve sales. It may take some time. You might need to work on all the principles mentioned above, or maybe just a few. Either ways, you will eventually reach the sales goals you always dreamed of, or go even higher. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please like to show your love and subscribe to our channel. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest with your friends and family members. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!